the stories they put into your mind.
What are you running away from?
Well, who says I'm running away from anything? Maybe I'm running towards something. Just looking for an adventure of my own.
What?
Am I dead?
Not just yet. Our mission is to find and return the princess.
I want to volunteer.
Fear of heights.
They're falling.
Well, then don't fall.
You're here.
You sound surprised.
Not at all.
I pray that your daughter finds her way down.
And if something else finds its way down first. It's good to be back. Three! Five! Four! Four!
Giants!
Warn the other kingdoms.
Ready?
Do these giants have any weaknesses?
Not Benny, no!
Who are you?
Jack!
Jack the Giant Slayer.
There's something behind me, isn't there?
Rated PG-13 in Realty 3D and IMAX 3D March 1st.